I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies, and we're going to show you our 6x11 mouse pad.
Stay tuned. Okay, so in this video, we are going to be working with our 6" by 11" mouse pad material. This does have a nice grip on the back as well as your white sublimation surface. It is a 1/16 of an inch thick, so let's get started.
Okay, we did our design using Photoshop, and we printed using our Sawgrass printer. And we're just going to line this up and use our thermal tape to hold it in place. And now we're ready for pressing.
Okay. I am going to place a Teflon sheet down on our bottom platen to protect your platen from any ink. I am going to place my image face down. Okay, I'm going to place my image face down, and then I'm going to cover again with a silicone sheet to protect our top platen. Today we are pressing at 400 degrees for 30 seconds at a medium pressure. Okay, so we are ready. This is going to be a hot peel. So we are going to remove in one swift motion to avoid any possible ghosting. I'm just going to set it to the side so it can cool. We also have our thermal gloves on hand, just in case for protection. Okay, and now you have one personalized mat. Anything to add in there, Meredith?
These would be great in the kitchen. You can actually use them to put a dirty spoon on or whatnot, just keep your counter clean, and you can put hot pans on it to protect your countertop. And if you like our design here, please check out our digital marketplace.
Good information there, Meredith. And also check out our product instructions and templates available online at coastalbusiness.com. And we'll see you next time.